If you want to build this creative design website using Elementor in WordPress, so this video is for you. Hello, welcome to Pre-Tech Ideas. Guys, this is your Preet. So in this video, I will teach you how you can also build a creative design with stunning effects, animations, and the premium layouts. So don't skip any part of this video. Like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get started this video. Before we go into video, make sure you already install WordPress on your hosting platform. But if you not yet have hosting, I will recommend some of the hosting provider. You will find a link in description. And after you install WordPress, we will start building our website in WordPress. So let me bring you on my WordPress backend. So the first step in Elementor, we have to make sure our settings are up to date. For the setting, we will go to setting option and click on permalinks. Permalinks are very important. You have to set your permalinks to post name and save changes. Then in general setting, you have to provide your website name, tagline, site icon, and you have to ensure your WordPress address is secure with HTTPS. If it's only HTTP, you have to include the S. So your site address should also be same with HTTPS. Admin email address where you get all the notification. If it's a membership website, you have to enable membership here. Use a default role and select the date format, time format, and save changes. Next step, we will install Elementor theme because we are going to build this website using only Elementor free plugin and Elementor theme. For that, we will go to appearance, click on themes. I already installed Hello Elementor theme, but in your case, you have to click on add theme and then you have to install Hello Elementor theme. You will find Hello Elementor theme, install and activate Hello Elementor theme right away. After we install Hello Elementor theme, we have to install some of the plugins and we will go to plugins. Let me show you some of the plugin I already installed, so you will also able to install those plugins. So in the plugin, we have to install Elementor plugin, which is very important because Elementor only the plugin we will use to build our website. If you have only free Elementor, that's okay. So click, you have to go to plugins and install first the Elementor plugin. Click on add plugin and search for Elementor plugin. Here search for Elementor and you will find Elementor plugin. This one, Elementor website builder. You have to install and activate this plugin. You can install all the plugin first. We will later on we will activate all together. Then next plugin we will use Elements Kit Lite. Go to plugin and search for Elements Kit. So we have to install the Elements Kit. Keep scroll down and you will find Elements Kit. We also have to install this one, Essential add-on for Elementor. This plugin, click install this one and also install the JEG kit for Elementor and then keep scroll down. Let me go to plugins, Elements Kit Lite, it's Y. So you can search for Elements Kit Lite, go to plugins and search for Elements Kit Lite. You will find this plugin, Elements Kit for Elementor, add-on and templates. You have to install this template or sorry this plugin. After this we have to go to again install plugin and then we have a essential add-on for Elementor. Then you can go to plugin and search for, if you search for only add-ons, you will also find almost all the plugins here. When you search add-on, you will get essential add-ons here, number second, and then Elements Kit we already installed that. Keep scroll down and you have to install also Happy add-on for Elementor and then we have JEG Elementor add-on here, JEG kit for Elementor, or you can search in the plugin JEG, JEG, JEG elements, or search only for JEG. We have to also install this plugin JEG kit for Elementor. And the last plugin we will use UI Core. Search for UI Core and this plugin we will install for the animation transitions. So click install and we will activate all these plugins together. You can see my plugins here. If you're not using Hostinger, you will not get these plugins. That's okay. So these are optional because I'm using Hostinger hosting some of the plugin I got here and with a nice feature. So you can see my rest plugins here: Elementor, Elements Kit Lite, Essential add-on for Elementor, Happy Elementor add-on, Jag Elements Kit, and finally UI Core. Okay, so let me delete other plugin we don't need yet. So it will be easy for you to understand all the plugins we will use. So let me delete all those. So only I have left those plugins which we will use in order to build our website. So after we install all the plugin, we will go to pages and start build our pages. When you activate, just select here bulk action, activate all the plugin. When you activate all the plugin, you will might see the dashboard for Jag, or you have to follow step by step in order to activate those plugin and go back to dashboard later on. Once you come over here in the dashboard, just refresh one time your dashboard and go to pages. Now we will start build our home page. Click on all pages and we will click here add page. In the add page, let me name my page home page or home, and I will click here added with Elementor. Now because we install some of the plugins, we can easily create our website. Any type of website you want to create, you can definitely create with some pre-built templates, and we will also use some own techniques to make our design more professional. So here, when you click on edit with Elementor, you will see upper side option page setting first. In the page setting, scroll down, hide title, and then in the page layout, search for Elementor full width, or search for, or you can set to Elementor canvas, because we are going to build this website homepage include header and footer. So if you don't need header and footer, you can select Elementor canvas. After Elementor canvas, just publish your website one time, refresh it, or stay here. Now we will start build our website from the header. So let's add our header section. Let me click here on the plus icon to add our flexbox. Click on flexbox and I will choose this layout. Number last here, 3 column layout. Click on it. So now we have 3 column layout for the header. We have logo, we have our main menu, and here we can display the button, contact us, or any other CTA button. Now let's design our header section colors. So for the header section, actually we will keep the design of this website, or the background, we will keep dark background. So let me come over here again, page setting. This time click on style, body style, background type. Let me choose my background type classic to dark. Okay, select dark and publish one time. Now it's time to add different things on our header section. So first click on here add element and search for logo, and you will find here site logo. Drag it here. So it will be our logo here. If your website already have logo in the backend, it will auto pull up. Otherwise, click on custom in the logo and select your logo. You have to upload your logo. So I need to upload my logo just to show you here. Let me search for logo. Okay, this one. Okay, this one. So we are going to use this logo for now. Just to show you, to make our logo smaller, just click on style and adjust the size of our logo. Okay, so your logo, if your logo has transparent or without background, that will look more nice here. So we have logo. Then in the last part we have to add button. Add element, search for button, and I will choose here creative button, dual button. We have creative button. Just drag in the last in the header section, creative button. So let me make it middle. Click on the corner in the button side and select downside, align item center, justify content center, or let me align item to the end. Okay, now we have left the we will build our menu section. Because right now we don't have any menu. We will create our menu later on, so we can just publish. So we got our structure for the header. So later on we will add just the menu items here. Now we will start build our hero section. For the hero section, you can go with the custom way. Go to click on plus item, flexbox, and choose 2 flexbox. If you want to go with this way, you can also do this. Just you have to decide what 2 elements you want to add. On the right side we will add image, and here text with image. text with heading with description. So we have two columns. Or you can do one thing here. Downside, you will see a blue color icon because we install some of the plugin we can get benefit from to choose pre-built layouts. Let's click on this icon and we have a block 448 blocks, pre-built blocks we can use for our website. What type of website you are deciding to build here, portfolio, a company website or business website, you can build. You have a lot of pre-built options here, pre-built blocks. So I will pick any block from here. So I will look for free blocks. This looks good. Let me click on insert, or you can also choose any other block you like. Okay, this one just for now. Click on insert and it will insert on your home page here. And you can see our website has smooth scrolling. How I enable this smooth scrolling, I will show you later on. First, so we have to do some settings in the backend. So let me go to backend and click on settings and then UI core animate and select my setting here. Animation style, choose creative. Enable smooth scrolling here. First, page transition, I will recommend to choose reveal, and then page transition duration. Preloader, if you want to enable preloader on your website, preloader look like if you open page, there is a preloader and it will load you your website. Okay, you can enable preloader and select preloader. Blobs spinner, I choose here, and it will automatically save the changes. You don't need to do anything, just to save changes. It will automatic save the changes. Then our website has smooth scrolling like that. Or go to page setting, scroll down and look for, go to advanced, and under the advanced you have smooth scroll, or you can enable in the backend. That's okay, guys. Okay, so we have enabled, that's why it's working now here. So after we enable smooth scrolling, now we have to design our REST website. Now we can definitely edit these things. I want to change the title. Click on the title and I am web designer, and then go to style. So we will make this heading more bigger. Go to typography and it should be 45, and then we have to add description downside. Go to add elements and drag the text editor. Then we have this description. For the description color, go to style and change the description color to white. And then we have a date here. We can delete it. If you want to delete any element, just right click and downside look for delete. Okay, you have to change your description according to your business here. And if you don't want to add backend image, or if you want to keep this backend image, that's okay. You have to click on edit section in the middle, style, and you will able to change this image, particular image. If you want to add image here, you also can add image here instead of backend. So you have to delete backend image here. And when you delete backend image, you will see one option here, animated background. And then I will choose from animated boreals. I choose this one, boreals. And you can see how our website background looks very beautiful. You can choose also some other styles according your needs, number one, and it will work with the mouse. You can design some beautiful designs here for the backend, for the background instead of image. Okay, this one, and then we will add image here. Go to add element, drag the image here, and now let me select image. So we have image now. Let me make our elements to the middle. Click on the nearby the heading or description, click on the corner, and vertical alignment, make it middle like that. So let me adjust this image. So I will click on edit section in the middle. So we will bring everything little up here. Click in the middle, go to advanced, and you can see here in the top there is a value 200. Instead 200, put here 100, and 100 in the bottom. Okay, or let me go with 60 only in the bottom. Yeah, also 60. Okay, so you have to provide the description here, provide description like that, and then we need to add button here. Click on add elements and search for button. We will add some creative button. You can go with the dual button, and you will see here jug kit button, drag it here, or you can use creative button and search for button, again creative button. This will be our creative button, and we will design our this button later on. So we have our heading, description, and the click me here. So now we will keep our background. If you want to keep same background, you have to keep same background in whole website here or in the different section. So you will stay with the one background look like this. Next, we have to add some service cards or service information. First, you can try out to find another block. If we found here, click on and search for the service block if you find here, or search for service. Yeah, we found here some blocks regarding the service, our best service, but I am looking for something creative. So keep scroll down. Let me find any element for the service. Okay, I will go with this one, client. It's for the client section. For the we will use later on this one. So I will go with the black layouts, or we can change the color later on. You can choose any layout, that's okay. Okay, so I'm going to choose this one here, not here. Or you can choose this one, colorful. If you want colorful, just click on insert. It will be insert on your here on your website page, and you can see animation beautiful. And you can change and make this section to services, my services or our services. So I need to add one heading here. So let me first go to add element and search for heading, and I have some option for the heading. Let me search for if we have any other element for the heading. If not, you can use this simple heading here. So let me click here, drag heading, and in the heading, so I need to make the heading inside of it here. But when you drag heading, click on advanced, and in the top give some value like 55. Okay, and downside section, click on the middle. So we will make it closer to the heading. Click on the middle edit section and advance, and reduce this value to only 22 or 44. Try out. Okay, so bottom should be also around 50. So click on the heading and go to style to change our heading color first. And now we have to choose our heading. Guys, keep in mind when you create your website, the heading always you have to keep in mind to keep two different fonts for the headings. So for the headings, we will use always those fonts. For the description, you can go with the default. If I click on description, go to style and look for typography, and there is a Roboto. You can keep Roboto for the description. For the heading, first here, click on the heading and go to style, typography, and choose the heading you choose the font you like for the headings. You can go with something. There are a lot of options for the heading, so I will go with something bold. Yeah, look like this. Okay, so the name of this, keep in mind the family name of this font. Okay, and then come over here and we will match, or you can copy here on the heading, copy, click right side with the mouse, copy, and come over to this heading, right click, paste style. So it will paste. You don't need to copy again and again or change anything. Just you have to keep paste on the headings. This heading should be bigger. Keep it in the middle. Services we offer, and here we have to change. Click on it and click on each box and go to title, description, and change your put your own services here. Or you want to make something else, you have to edit each box and go to title, description to change your information inside the boxes. Okay, so now let's talk about something how you can add effects on the build sections. For the effects, go to style, scroll down. Let me see here. Example here, the title. Click on style, and you have option. When you click on style, two option: split text animation, enable it, and you can add beautiful animation, and you can change split by word or fade in up or zoom out. You can change your animation, fade in. Okay, like that. And now let me publish to see the changes, how it look like. And speed, let me reduce the speed. Animation delay, okay, 170, and string 15, speed 1210. You can try out different animation characters here. And then after that, go to advanced option and keep scroll down. We want to add some effects, hover interactions. So you can enable hover interactions like that. And then capacity, you can change the capacity. And then we have option here for the liquid glass effect. You can add liquid glass effect on these things, on the boxes as well. Click on the corner of each box. Go to advanced and go to liquid glass effect. Just design one element and copy the style to others. Enable it and let me close the sidebar so we will able to see the effect. As you can see, this is our glass effect. Okay, so let me make downside something else so we will able to see. Okay, let's publish and we will able to see in the new tab. And then you have to change the colors. Just go to style and change your color in the background overlay or background color. If you want to add guardian, click on guardian and design your color for the corner. Now how you can change these inside colors of each tab? Click on, right click, edit info box, go to style, info box. Inside there is a option to choose color, border color, background color. Click on it and change the background color for the icons. And then we have here option for the border color. You can add some box shadow. You also can add image if you want. In the service section you have to choose your image or design and you can make this section our services. To copy the design, once you design one section, right click, copy, and next box, right click, paste style, and change the images. And then let's add some other things. Click on the blue icon downside and look for other blocks what you want to add. So you have to decide. You can add this section, why choose us or why client choose us, because I'm focusing on web designer things. So your niche can be different. You're building for e-commerce or your business, you can use same way, you can try same way. Now let's add glass effect on these boxes. Add it, advance, and glass effect, liquid glass effect. Click on it, enable it. As you can see, it's liquid glass effect now. Or go to just disable it and click on the corner, advance. You can also add glass blur effect if you want and it will blur. Just to first enable liquid glass effect. As you can see, it's liquid glass effect now. And change the soft mesh if you want. If you want heavy first and backdrop, you can change. And also the color for the liquid glass. You can just copy to the other sections. Just copy, go to this section corner, paste style, and this section paste style, or you can reset style, it will reset the style. And then we have to edit all these things so match with the heading. Copy heading, so we will copy the heading style and paste to every heading, so we will match the heading. And now let's talk about to add button, something beautiful. Click on the button, change your button, contact me, and then go to downside. You will see enable liquid glass effect, enable it. Now our button will be liquid glass effect. You can see looks beautiful. So I have to copy on the corner, copy, corner, paste style, corner, paste style. Yeah, now looks beautiful. And then click here. Because I was working on one of my client website, he was looking for something similar. I'm planning to design such a beautiful template, and you will hopefully you will find link in description soon if you want these template, ready-made templates, so you will able to use for your business. And also I will able to help you to customize these template. If you want me to do that, I can do for your business to customize complete website. And then if we want to add some other sections, because it might take some time, because as a beginner, if you're a beginner, so I'm teaching the beginner friendly way. If you not yet have experience to build each section with the containers or flexbox, so you can use these ways to get pre-built templates for your website. But if you have experience, just you can build with these boxes. Then you have to click add element and search for the element you want to use into these both boxes. Let me give you example here. I want to add portfolio examples. I will search for portfolio and I have some option for the portfolio. I have portfolio gallery from Jacket. I will drag here. Okay, so this side I want to delete. Click on the corner, edit container and delete. Click on here and make the width 100%. Okay, so you will able to add your portfolio here. You also can copy now title and give one space. Click on add container and it will give you another box to paste your title here. Right click, paste your title and make this title portfolio. So before we add, So we have to ensure each element has equal top space. So if I click on this element, go to advanced, I will able to check. So I will keep padding in the top 100, in the bottom also 100 for each element. I will make sure 100 and the bottom 100. Same here, I will go to this section and I will add here advanced, and first uncheck this link value together. In the top put 100 and in the bottom should be 100. Okay, enough. So we have to match the each layout. Click on first one and it should be also 100. You can make it 100, that's okay, and bottom 100. So each section has equal space. In the bottom, because we have title, so I have to reduce it to half, 50. Okay, then add element. You can add more element if you want. You wanna make changes to the portfolio, click on edit or right click edit, go to gallery and change add your portfolio items one by one. Then you have to put into the all your image first, then it will you will see the effect later on. How this effect will work, you have to put into the each gallery list your images, then it will show you one beautiful effect after that. So if I put on number 2, so I have to select my portfolio. This is just to show you guys, I'm not adding any portfolio, just I'm adding images. Instead of images, you have to put your portfolio here. You can add your portfolio here. After portfolio, we also can check nearby this icon. We have another icon, Templify. So it required you to install Templify. We are not going to do that. So we will use the number first here, or add element kit template, or we can use this one also to get the pre-built sections. Click on sections, or you also able to get pre-built pages from the page section. For example, if you want to import this one, you can import. So I'm looking for portfolio or pricing plan example. If you need, you can drag it from here. We have testimonial, click insert. You can also use this template to get pre-built stuff. Scroll down, because I mostly use this plugin to get different portfolio different pre-built blocks. Okay, we are going to insert this one for the portfolio. So we have error. Let me publish. Yeah, it will not allow us because the server had lost. Let me fix this quickly. Okay, it's okay. We lost one section. It's okay. Let me drag again portfolio. Testimonial. I'm looking for testimonial pre-built layout here. Yeah, we have here insert. You can apply the background in different section if you want. Let me click on the center. If you see there is some other color, just click on the center, go to style and click on the color and refresh or clear the color. Okay, and you can enable the UI core background for this. You can enable if you want to have if you want to try UI core, you can also use UI core. And let me pick the dark one. So let me make one more section, add section, and this section I'm going to copy the review section. Just click on inner section, copy, come over here, paste. Okay, and copy this title section, copy and add, click on add, paste here. So we are not going to use that background image. So now let's copy our title style and hover on your title, paste style and description, click on it and change your description for the reviews and click style, and text color should be white, it should be visible. Publish. Now how you can make your menu if you want to design multiple pages, and you can same way you can copy your design or layouts, just copy and paste into your another page when you design your another page. This way you can build the complete pages. Then downside, we need to add contact us, or we also need footer section. We also have this here footer, and we just have to install or insert this footer. So let me copy, it should be downside, copy and delete from here. We need to put it here. So we also have footer section. Now give some space, middle, advanced 100 already. So here go to this, click on this review element in the middle, advanced, and give top 100 here, bottom 100. Okay, now perfect. You can also design your footer section further if you want. just click on your footer section in the middle and come over to style, and you can enable animated background for the footer to design your footer section further. And you can change different elements from here, different colors if you want, or you can go with the lights or dark, bit waves, the shining, and you can see with the mouse it work with the mouse, it track the mouse. Then you have to change all things in the footer section one by one. You want to change quick links, click on the links, and here change all the links one by one. Click and make sure you provide in the link, search for the link you want to add, for example contact us, and in the link search for contact, make sure the page available in the backend, then select your contact us page here. So you have to build this different pages. If you want single page, you also can go with single page. Now I can easily copy my button style, copy and paste to the header. Also paste style, it's not working. It's okay, so we can look for here, click on the button and enable the liquid glass here. That's easy. And here style, you also can add some style. When you enable liquid glass, actually it will stay with the one color here, just a liquid glass, but it's visible well. And then so you have to design every page of your website. We need to add, now we have to build our menu section. You can build your menu section in the backend. Go to appearance, click menu, and you have to make ready your menu here. You have to build your menu here. So if you are working on one page website, just you click on the about, it will go to about us section. If you click on service, it jump to here. Let me show you how you can build this one. To build jump section or for single page website, first, for example, you want to add the service section, and you will add later on here. I already add here. So in the menu you will add example home or service, and then info or about clients or testimonial, example testimonials. Click on it in the middle, go to advanced, and you will see one option CSS ID, and remember your CSS ID here, testimonials. Make sure you remember this. Now we want to add this to the menu, testimonial. Someone click on testimonial here, it jump to this section immediately. So in the menus, actually here, first you have to create your menu. Click create new menu. Once you create your menu, you will see option here, custom link. In the URL, put the number sign and same letter as CSS ID. Copy your CSS ID in the after number sign, and here link text testimonial, add to menu. Make sure you click here header and save menu. Let's try out. Sorry for that. Here, let me refresh. Now we have testimonial. Let's click on it and it will jump you immediately to the section. Let me refresh. Here it jump you immediately on the testimony. If I click on service, it bring you here. So you have to remember your CSS IDs and add CSS ID to each section. Example contact section, you have to add. Let me search for contact. Here we have one contact. Let me select, and I have to match the colors. Copy the description. In the description, paste style, description, paste style, and the title, copy title, come over here title, hover on title, paste style, and here we have to add our form. You can add your contact us form here. So this section should be contact us. Click on the first select whole element. To select it, click on the middle edit section, advanced, CSS ID, contact. Okay, and come over to menu, custom link, number sign, contacts, and contact. In the link text, add to menu, save menu. Just to refresh it, publish. Make sure you don't forget to click publish. Okay, contact, it bring you contact us. So we need to add here form. This is just to show you guys how you can build it with the pre-built templates. If you have any question, just let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it.